Hello everybody. 6 cars on this train. 1960s Lionel engine, plastic but still good engine, hauling all that weight. I have it on slow speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not bad for a train that's over 50 years old, right? This is on my Pennsylvania Flyer layout. I bought for $60 on eBay. I can run any engine on here as long as it's compatible with Lionel stuff. The Marx trains have a hard time. Nice though, right? The Bill Frank Express is coming at you. 6 cars. Nice layout. Awesome video, everybody, right? Get a love train. Lionel. Yes, I like to see the real thing too. September 21st, 2024. Lionel trains. My Lionel trains. With the Bill Frank Express.